welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a coloring tutorial for 4 dark colorings that I found. So these are not made by me, so do not give me coloring credits. I will put the credits up on the screen so you can go ahead and give credits to the people that are, you know, like who these colorings belong to. So let's get started. Okay, so for the first one, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go into 24 FPS and choose your video. Then you're gonna use the Take On Me QR code or filter or whatever, and then you're gonna save this video. Next, you're gonna go into Prequel, and I'll put the settings up on the side so you can go ahead and just copy those. Then you're going to go into color tone and use load. So you're going to import your video, click on filters, click on Jasmine Hand, and use the filter Marble at 50. So it should look like this. I'm going to put it to like 40 because I feel like it's too bright at 50. But it's supposed to be 50. And that is the first coloring all complete. So now let's move on to the second coloring. So for the second coloring, we're going to go into 24 FPS and import our video. Then we are going to use the filter Honey and save it in your camera roll. Then we're going to go on to Prequel, and I will put the settings up on the side so you can go ahead and copy those. Then you're going to go on to Ultralight, click Edit, go on to Saturation, and red you're going to do -3, and yellow you're going to do -3. Then go on to Luminosity and do +3 for red and +3 for yellow, and save this to your camera roll. So this is more of like a dark, like honey type of coloring. It's not necessarily like black and white or like gray. So yeah. And now we are done with that coloring, so we're going to move on to the third color. So this one is a blue coloring, and we are going to go on to 24 FPS and use the Take On Me filter. And then save this to your camera roll. Then we're going to go into PixArt, import your video, click on Adjust, and scroll to Hue, and put it on -140. If you can get it exactly on the dot, and it should look like this. Then click Apply and save this video. Then we're going to go on to Prequel and import your video. Then click Adjust and go on to Glow and put it to 3 and put Blur onto 25. Then go on to Effects and Sparkles, and Star Intensity is 100, Star Scale is 8, Rotation is 0, and Filter is 0. And then save this. So this is like a dark blue coloring. It's a coloring I've never tried before. And you can, in Prequel, when you do the hue settings, you can change that to a different color as well. For example, like I'm pretty sure there was like other colors. So you can do one of those if you don't want it blue. And that is it for the third coloring. Okay, so for the fourth coloring, you're going to go on to Ultralight, select the original video, and put clarity to -5. Go on Saturation, and red click to positive, and put it to a +10. And then save this video to your camera roll. Then the Prequel settings, I'll put up on the side, so you can go ahead and just use those. And then for the last step, you're going to go on to 24 FPS and import your video and add the Take On Me QR code like this. So it should look something like this. And the colorings can change depending on the lighting. So I apologize if they don't all look the same. But so here is the first one. Here's the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you guys next week. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!